Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am back with another SQL topic, and the topic is the case statement in the SQL. So we use case statement to decode the data and to manipulate the data as per the business requirement. Like in our given data set we come across with different categorical value or different SNO flag which having a certain meaning, and we have to define that meaning using the case statement. It actually used to decode the data with meaningful insights. Okay, so basically there are three types of the case statements to exist. One is the simple case statement where you use the case and apply the condition. If that condition is equal to true, then expression will return a certain value that we define. Okay, the second type is multiple conditional case statement where we again define the case and we define condition 1. If condition 1 equal to true, then it will return some expression. Then condition 2 equal to true, then it will return expression y, something like that, and so on. We can define n number of conditions over here. So this is a multiple condition case statement. And the third type of case statement is similar to multiple conditional case statement, but it is with the logical operator. For example, if we are defining the case when condition 1 equal to true, and so here is the actual logical operator take place. We can use and or between anything depending upon the requirement, and condition 2 equal to true, then it will return some expression as per our definition. So this is the three type of case statements do exist, and I will walk you through with example like how this works in the real time scenario. Okay, so here I have chosen the superstore data set over here. So let me show you. So this is our table, if you can see it over here, and we have multiple columns with the order details. Okay, so let's see what is the first type of case statement. What we can do in a single condition, what I am trying to do is, if the shipping mode is second class, then it will return the S2 expression. Else shipping mode means if shipping mode is second class, then only it will return the S2, or new column will return the S2 expression, and I am ending as a class. This is a header of the column. Okay, so let me run this and see here. So here we have order ID, shipping mode, and the class is our new column introduced by case statement. So if the shipping mode is equal to second class, then class will show S2 like this. You can add multiple conditions also here, but that will fall into second type of case statement. So this is a simple line single condition case statement. Let's see the second one, multiple condition using operator. So here I have the shipping mode equal to second class and order ID equal to this. So what I'm trying to see, I am trying to check if the shipping mode is second class and order ID is ending with the 156 like this, then it will return S2. Otherwise it will return simple shipping mode whatever present in the dataset and int as a class. So this is our new column name. Let me run this case statement and show you. So here order ID is ending with 156, shipping mode is second class, and the class is S2. Write this like this. And if you see the third row, this one, the shipping mode is the second class and the order ID is 688, like it is ending with 688, but the class column is still showing the second class because this particular condition is not fitting into our case statement. Okay, so whatever condition we are putting into the case statement, if that is true, then only we will get the expected result like this. So this is the second type of the case statement with the multiple condition using any logical operator. You can use any operator depending upon the requirement. Now the third type of case statement is multiple conditions and results. So what I'm trying to do here, I have categorized the sales into three things, like whether the sales was low, high and the medium. So if the sales is less than 900, then the new column will show it is a low sales order. Then if the sales is between 900 and 1500, then it is a medium, and if the sales is greater than 1500, then it is a high sales order. So if I run this case statement, so you will see here the shipping mode. I'm just trying to see here. Now let me include the sales number also, sales into this and run. So see here, if the sales is okay, let me do it here. Sales. Okay, if you can see here, the sales is 261.96, which is less than 900, then it is low order. The sales is 957.57, it is greater than 900, then it is medium. And here you can see here the sales is 1706, which is greater than 1500, that's why it is showing as high sales order. So this is how you can use the case statement with the multiple conditions. Okay, so I have written the blog on this case statement. I will give the link into the description. You can refer it, and I will give this SQL code for practice also. So that's all for the day. In the next video I will come up with another SQL topic. Till then, take care, bye bye.